Let's investigate how to create a simple function in MATLAB. Functions are very similar to scripts in many ways, but they have different output and input protocols. Whereas a script is meant to run on its own and runs the same way every time, a function takes in input from the user each time it runs, making it a more general and powerful tool. Similarly, whereas scripts don't usually have predefined output other than what is displayed on the command window or on a plot, functions directly provide their output for use by other scripts or functions that call them. For this video, I will rewrite the script created in the previous video into a function. To start with, click on the New drop-down menu and choose to create a new function. Then save that function as practicefunction.m. Right away, you will see that rather than providing a blank screen, MATLAB automatically writes in some basic information. The first line is the most important because it defines how the function can be used. Essentially, when you type in the function name followed by input args, the function will return output args. Because I changed the name of our function when I saved it, go ahead and change the name of the function from untitled to practice function. For this function, as before, you can calculate the mean of the stock prices. Here, however, you don't need to define a matrix of the data because we can assume that it will be given to us in input args. So I'll simply add the line mean of input args. We can do the exact same thing with the for loop, so to save time, I'll simply copy and paste the code from our sample script. If you're following along on your computer, you can pause here to retype the selected code. Don't forget to change stocks to input args to make sure we have the proper variable name. We do need to make one change though. If you want the function to have output, you need to define it. So rather than just calculating the mean and displaying it in the command window, you can add it to output args. In this case, simply say that output args of I plus 1 equals the mean within the for loop. MATLAB will automatically define output args as a 10 by 1 matrix to hold the data. Once you have that, you're done. So go ahead and save your function, and you will be able to run it. And MATLAB will automatically handle the outputting of the output args function. Now let's run the function. Go to the command window and type in a equals practice function of CSV read of the sample data.csv. If the function was created correctly, MATLAB will display the mean and then define matrix A to hold all of the output data from the function. And that is exactly what we see here.